Okay, so at the end you will end up having like the same thing. It holds its magnetic properties still. But it's not a good idea to heat up like this fluid because the oil evaporates and you only get the toner dust, but it pops and it's boiling. So you kind of get burned really bad. Even I got myself some bad injuries in my hands, so I don't recommend to heat this fluid because not a good idea simply. Good evening. Today I'm gonna show you how a ferrofluid works, how it reacts to an electromagnet. So first, what you're gonna need for this experiment is to make your own electromagnet. You will need a wire, then it has to be copper and it has to be sealed. You will need also any chunk of metal to act as a core. You will need a battery, and then you have to make sure your coil is as straight as possible for you to have a nicer magnetic field. You will also need to make a ferrofluid, which consists of toner ink and oil. Here I have a permanent neodymium magnet. It's to prove that we can, that the fluid has magnetic properties. So you can actually watch. There's it. Okay, then we'll place a small piece of the mixture over that white spot and we'll connect the electromagnet. So first we will test. Okay, it's working. Then once it's when you got it connected, you will place like small droplets over here. Something spilled. There you have it. Then it went straight to the pole as expected, and according to the experiment we have to wait until the coil heats up, but it won't happen because it takes a lot of time and the magnetic field won't allow us to, the liquid will stay on the tip because the magnetic force goes this way. Even though the magnetic field is all around, the liquid won't go all the way here. So that's it for today, and I hope you like it. Bye. My recommendation is to stay away from this if you don't know how to make it. Because, for example, I tried to make it on the kitchen. It was a terrible idea. And then I had to I have to get a better procedure for doing this safely because it started to blow up and a lot of pottery and a lot of utensils had contact with toxic material, so you have to be more careful.